Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Pickles the Gaijin and
Shawana the Ibans.
Shawana Ibang. So it's reactions. Jamaicans eating Japanese snacks for the first time. I'm Jamaican, she's Jamaican. Yes, we have Jamaicans that look like this. And I came back for vacation and said, let me get some of my friends to try some of these snacks that I don't even eat. So we're gonna get into it. Yeah. I eat some of them, but not all. So we have them here on the table, and we go through it, and you're going to capture reactions. And
What are we gonna try first?
what do you want to try? What are you excited to try?
Nothing.
Alright.
Okay. No, let me go first. Alright. I saw these and I was like, oh, these look like some chocolate strips, some dark chocolate strips. So I'm excited to try these.
Okay, but these are not chocolate strips. These are dry Konbu seaweed. Alright? So, you know the seaweed that they use to wrap your sushi?
And I hate sushi, no offense to Japanese people.
Yeah, some people don't like ackee and saltfish, so I mean...
You know.
Alright, so first one to get the smell out for her. You smell it? How does it smell?
It smells like, you know the thing what they call Chinese sweeties?
Chinese, yeah,
Chinese,
that's
what it smells like. Chinese
so maybe it's
sweet.
sweet?
Have you tried
I never had this before because there are different types of seaweed.
So are we gonna try it together?
Yeah, we're gonna try it together.
And
we have water here to save us and that bag here for if somebody wants to spit out something. Alright, let's go.
It's tough and chewy, like
where's the food? Like
it's like chewing thing.
what's that thing called? Taffy? Like taffy, but it's not taffy, it's sweet, but it's just
it's like a piece of
grass.
bark in your mouth.
You eat bark?
I assume this is a bark. It's a little salty.
No, it's not bad. This will go like
you chew yours already?
it will go like beer. If you're drinking, this is like a snack to have while drinking.
It started out a bit salty, now it tastes not a little fishy.
Also, it's like this comes from Hokkaido, which is the northernmost island in Japan, and it has like little fish flavor on it. Bonito.
Yeah, I just said it tastes like fishy.
Yeah.
I think I need that. And it also is a bit slimy. It tastes like
Yeah, it's slimy. The after effects slimy.
Yeah. Alright, I feel like we should knock out these chocolate looking things out of the way because they are chocolate. this look like bark. What is there?
This is squid. So this is dried squid.
I'm ready.
I see. This is delicious. I can tell already.
You've never had it.
I've had it before, but I think it should be. Have a smell. Have a spot. Shawana is like, oh my god, what is this?
Guys, it smells like saltfish.
Yeah, saltfish. So pop it in your mouth because you like salted fish.
You go first.
No, style me. Oftentimes I pair this with mayonnaise.
Oh yeah?
So you just dip it in the mayonnaise and eat it. But this is gonna
And
be.
it kind of looks like saltfish too. Okay, it's almost like the what was this? Squid? No,
Seaweed.
It's almost like the seaweed in texture. It's just
very tough and chewy.
And
Like we have things like that in Jamaica with chewy, like food and everything.
not like this.
We don't like chewy food, no.
It's almost like when you chew on cane and it,
yeah, and start you get the flavor that will come out. And yeah. Seaweed is
people
tough.
snack on these?
Yeah, that like legit. I was eating that all winter last year. The mayonnaise.
It tastes like saltfish, but not as salt.
Alright. So you can eat
And
those?
it's super chewy. No, it's too chewy. Why am I still chewing this?
Because we got chewing settings to go.
Okay, I'm just gonna like
Sorry guys. Slide right in.
slide right in. There we go. That's next. This looks nice. I don't want to eat this yet. What's that? No, what's that expression on your face?
It's not nice. I can't tell you that.
You eat this?
I don't like it. I hate it.
It says crunchy ume.
Crunchy ume. It says pickled plum.
I feel like I will enjoy this.
Alright.
I'll even do the honors of opening the packet. I'm excited. It's pink and it's plummy and very.
Yeah man, smell that.
It smells like.
What she book up in now?
I don't know if you've ever had this thing from Trinidad called sweet mango.
Yeah, that's sweet mango.
It smells like sweet
Tastes
mango.
not like sweet mango. Can tell you that.
It looks like.
I don't want them either. Go ahead.
What's this thing that? There's something in the packet.
That keep it sterile. They put it in other stuff. That keep it preserved or whatever. Alright,
I'm just gonna shove all of this in my mouth.
Just shove it in. Go ahead. Alright, I'll just watch it die.
No.
Ready, go. Trash. Not touching myself. How is it?
Oh.
Yes, man. Yes. Yes. Told her. Trash. Jamaicans don't play around with that. Here you go.
Yeah. Oh my God! What the heck? Oh, Miss Letras. This is a perfect example of looks are deceiving. Deceiving. The thing tastes like
trash.
Trash. Like what? What? I wish I can't even read the. Can you read this? You live in Japan.
Not really. All I know is the plum and it's pickled. So you know, so them use to pickle them flavorful, mildly sour plums, carefully handcracked in bite-sized pieces.
Dash it where?
This is Pocky, very popular in Japan. It's like basically a strawberry happiness. It's a strawberry flavor. They have it in chocolate, pretzel, pineapple, one barrage.
Please, Dre, I am praying and hoping that this is something good because so far you've had 3 X's.
3 X's, that's the amount of X's I've had in my life as well. Oh!
Okay. Ooh! It smells so good. It's that perfect.
I took 2.
I'm gonna take 2 as well. I feel like this is good.
Alright, so let's go. Wow. See, that's
Do I eat the sticks?
You eat everything. It's just, but you just put the 2 of them in one.
It's so nice.
Okay.
After those things I've just had.
It's mad. It's like strawberry yogurt on a stick. She's gonna take that home, and that's the end of that.
I'll stick 2 more. I think I deserve it after that pickled plum.
Yeah.
Okay, Japan, you're winning now.
So I guess this is what I have to send back when I go.
Pocky, the strawberry kind. Share the last Pocky with me.
Can't make eye contact when you're eating that Pocky.
What's wrong with how I eat the Pocky?
I don't know. The Pocky. Oh Lord. Can't buy it.
Cheers to some good Pocky. You have to drink and look in my eyes when you say cheers or 8 years of bad sex. So.
Really?
Yes, look at that. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow, I didn't know that. Who told you that?
A very smart man. I don't like that we're not getting the bad stuff out of the way.
Say that they think that's bad?
What is this? This is a sausage.
It's a fish sausage.
It's bad.
So you want this first? So how do you want to proceed from now? There's only 3 things left.
And my water done.
Alright, refill. 1 second. Here we go.
Okay, so while Dre's getting me water, the other night he taught me this pose in Japan that I'm just in love with. Apparently, the ladies in Japan, the in poses, this. Isn't it cute? Cheese. That's the new pose. Fish sausage. First of all, it looks like a penis. It looks like a penis. It looks disgusting. Like, hi, Dre.
What are you talking about? What was she talking about while I was gone? I'm sure it was something very fallacious.
Why didn't you bring like a knife to cut the sausage? We're just gonna bite in it?
Well, I mean, that's what you guys are supposed to.
And it's cooked sausage.
Well, I couldn't tell you.
Oh, Jesus.
Yes, it's already cooked. See, so this
And the
is,
smell is already hitting me.
you keep.
Why are you shaking it like that?
Want to break it off, or you want to break a piece? I didn't eat
This
it.
smells disgusting. I don't even want to touch it. Like,
But
you
does
break
it?
Have you ever eaten this?
It's something like this already, yeah.
You go. It doesn't smell disgusting.
No, I mean,
Can I bite it?
go ahead, do you? Come on, not bad.
Okay, it's bad to you?
No.
It's better than expected. It's different in the sense that the flavor is different because we're used to pork sausage, we're used to chicken sausage, but and it's not like a strong, overwhelming fish flavor or fish smell.
You know, someone had the incident, they're like,
I
that's
can't
trash.
eat, man.
Here for this. How delicious is it? Oh my God. Amazing, right? This is not what I remember. Very fishy. I don't know how to spell this. I'm kidding. This is wasabi. Wasabi.
I don't want nothing wasabi. Let me tell you now.
It's good. I'm telling you. Come on.
I don't like sushi, right? I don't like my first encounter with wasabi. Like, I get up and walk out to the restaurant. Like, and this is a wasabi chip.
It's like peanuts and.
It looks like peanuts in a bed of maggots.
And Chex Mix.
It looks like peanuts in a bed of maggots.
This is good to have when you're having beer or alcohol at your restaurant.
Apparently, everything is good to have when you're having beer. See what you're doing over there, Japan. You like it?
It's alright. Alright.
It's getting heated?
No, it's alright. There's a very little kick, a little. Not bad. Salty, a little pepper.
Again, it's giving me the, you know that split piece thing from Trinidad? That piece thing?
Doubles thing?
No, it's not doubles, ma'am. I don't know why I'm familiar with so many Trini snacks.
Somebody tell me what's happening in Trinidad.
So far, Pocky's winning, you guys. Pocky's winning.
And the final thing, umaibo. And this flavor is probably, what's this? Barbecue. Oh, this is mentai. Like a type of sauce. Flavors. This is mentai. Mentai is like a sweetish, barbecue type sauce flavor. So we call it mentai. But it's really good, I think. See the color? Oh, look at that redness. Oh, look at Bigfoot, don't you? You
it also looks like a penis.
Yeah, Japan has a thing for phallic objects. They have a penis festival in Japan, you know, right?
They do?
Yeah. Oh God, she broke it, poor thing. Eat and take a mess. Good, right? Sweet. Barbecue flavor.
I hate barbecue flavor on chips.
Oh, you like it on chicken?
On cheese sticks and then something there. I don't think people should do that. But it's alright.
Good.
Oh, you didn't bring the chocolate.
Oh, right. No,
So I can tell that this is Dre's favorite thing. Still winning in my book. The aftertaste.
Nice, right?
It's good.
Like barbecue.
Okay, I'll give it that. Okay, I'm just gonna lick my finger.
The demon is here!
Oh my god, what's the demon?
The demon is here! Alright, so this is the last thing we have actually. This is the chocolate. This is the green tea Kit Kat.
Oh, this should be yummy. But why the hell are you putting green tea in chocolate?
They put green tea in everything. Green tea ice cream, they have green tea soda. Not soda.
Listen, I'm not trying to be healthy while eating chocolate.
But it helps. It's good.
Why is that lovely? You need teeth or can I do because of TV? Oh, I got it. Oh! It's nice. It's also green. Yeah, it's supposed to be green. It's green tea. Oh. I was expecting it to still look like chocolate but taste like green tea. Oh, that can't work. You want to share mine? No. Lovely, right? Lit it! Look at her face. Lit. Okay, for people who don't like green tea or people who aren't used to having green tea.
But because green tea is my go-to when I'm bloated, it's nice. I like it.
Green tea is like not sweet, very bitter.
For a lot of persons who aren't used to green tea wouldn't enjoy this. I don't think. This blue box caught my eye.
Everything catches her eye. That's just demonic. I'm kidding. No. Shawanas.
Okay, talk to people about this. All I can make out from this box is a demon-looking face. What is this? Let me buy your tongue, yeah?
Shibori tate, and this is the this is the go-to for some people. This is sake, this is alcohol. Looks like a juice box.
This is my kind of alcohol. An alcoholic beverage in a juice box? What? Okay, so I was telling him this story. Like, imagine like you go to a grocery shop in Japan, like you go on family vacation and you have your kids and you're like just picking up juices for your kids. So you see these little cute blue juices, well, this cute little blue juice box, and you're like, oh, let me grab this for little
whatever
baby here.
She has no children.
And you give your kids alcohol. Like your kids are sleeping all day and you're wondering, wow, why are they sleeping?
Because Japan is conducive for sleep.
So I'm excited to try this.
Right, possibly. The general.
Smells like Heineken.
Alright,
Smells like Heineken?
so it smells like
Alcohol.
Yeah,
Like a beer.
Alright, so this in Japan before we drink they say kampai as cheers.
Okay.
So
And now you have to look in my eyes.
I don't know about looking at this thing, but
You have to. It's 5 years of bad sex, and I don't wish that on you.
or on you. Okay. So if I don't look in it, but you look at me and I don't look at you, it's bad luck for me.
Kampi.
Kampai.
Oh. Kampai.
Kampai.
Kampai. Look in my eye.
Kampai.
Kampai. My eye. Woo. None of this.
It's made from rice.
So when did you go tell me that?
Oh, you didn't know that? Sake is traditionally made from rice, but you also have umeshu, that's made from plum. But that's a sweet one. Umeshu is a sweet one.
I could drink this. It's fresh. Like it has no taste.
It tastes like wine.
It just have a little alcoholic taste.
Yeah, but it's dangerous if you drink too much with all of them. And don't drink and drive unless you're in Jamaica.
Not even if you're in Jamaica.
Yes,
Do
I
not
said.
be influenced by lingerie.
That's what I said. Not even if you're in Jamaica. That's what did I say for
It's
it?
strong wine. Very strong.
It's lovely. You should have some more of the sausage.
No, thank you.
Pair it with the sausage and say
No, thank you.
pair it. It's like
Why don't you pair it with some seaweed?
No need for that. I was eating all this stuff. I don't even want to say anything. I have some squid though.
Knock off saltfish.
Whatever. It's definitely not so. Alright. I'm feeling you today. Alright, so.
So I have one question for you before.
Okay.
How do you survive in Japan with this food?
How many regular food?
Like?
Lots of rice. Pizza is hella expensive.
Really?
Yeah. So a medium pizza is like $3,000, $2,000.
Oh, well, good thing you can make your own. Look when they choose to come on.
There's regular food, burgers and stuff right there. The burger season very low because they mix them beef with something else. Ramen, of course. There's lots of different foods that are not mainstream per person, but you have to go to Japan to experience.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they have regular bread and cheese and mince and something, pasta.
Okay.
Yeah. They just don't have like ackee.
And
They have,
patty.
they have saltfish without patty.
Yeah. No
Although-
wonder every day I ask the patty.
Right? I need to eat a patty now, as a matter of fact. You tried the curry with patty?
No, I tried the
Jerk chicken.
The jerk chicken patty.
Tasty.
How was the curry goat patty?
That's good. That's good. Okay. You should try it again.
Yes, I would rather try 100 different patties than
Japanese food.
Japanese food. Well, Japanese snacks. Thing.
So this is called dango.
I'm not trust Andre, you know.
Dango.
What is it?
Dango. What is it? Dango. Dango is made from rice. So what they do, they have rice and in water they beat the rice in a bowl with a big like hammer thingy, and they beat it and beat it until it gets really nice and gummy until it forms like a something like this. So yeah, this is dango.
So what it look like, sweetie?
Yeah, kind of have a sweet.
Oh God, the texture just turned me off a while ago.
Right.
Just pull one out.
No, just bite this thing again. Like I always hold this and bite this thing.
You hear him?
We always do them things that we always do.
The things I always do, nobody would want me to bite nothing.
Right.
It look like.
Feel like balls?
What is that?
More little, I'll see a more little in one head top. Jesus, poor him. And you don't it taste sweet?
It tastes like that rice cracker.
Okay. And each of them have a different flavor.
It's lightly
Sweet?
sweet.
This is lovely. But I don't really food.
Okay, I like it.
I know it's good.
It tastes like dumpling. Like the texture.
Yeah.
It's like dumpling. Boiled dumpling.
But much softer. Now it's feel like it's not even tight. It's just like well kneaded but not tight. But someone says she's
It's like I'm eating dumpling with sugar in it.
sugar dumpling. The friends got sugar dumpling settings. I'm shocked, yo.
Yeah.
We're not driving, of course. Well, she's not driving. But.
You're not dropping out here.
Queef, queef. Squirt, squirt.
So, matane guys. Johnny.
Peace.
Peace.
Bam.
Bam.
I don't know. Alright, so yes, make sure you subscribe to her.
It's not meant to be a shot, you know.